Hello! If you don't know me, well, why would you? I'm Lee from Oso Retro. Behind the camera's Matt, who has roped me into attempting to start a YouTube channel because he reckons what we get up to at Oso Retro and, well, all the random things I get up to are quite interesting. I think otherwise, but we'll see. Today, for the first video, we are down in Brighton for the London to Brighton mini run, which I think is the 35th one. First one in 3 years. It's raining, but the turnout is absolutely crazy. I can't believe how many minis have actually turned out for it, considering it's been absolutely pissing it down all morning. Here's some of it. Hello, you alright? She's gonna hide, isn't she?
Don't be shy, it's fine.
This is the famous Julie F. Craftevan. You work out what the F is yourself. This is her little shop. Talking to the microphone, Julie, what is it? It's a caravan.
It's a Thompson Mini Glen.
See, Julie gets her geekiness out.
1970. Has 10-inch wheels, so you didn't have to take an extra spare.
I've just been educating him on 10-inch wheels. No, you've got to have 10-inch ones, Matt.
10-inch?
You know nothing about it.
Why 10-inch?
Because they have to be 10-inch on a mini.
Oh.
Everyone, well, you wouldn't know about that. They're cooler.
Oh yeah.
You have to have 10-inch wheels.
Yeah. It's not like
Bigger isn't always better.
the Chavy car scene where you have to have big fat rims. You want more rubber on a mini.
See, Julie will talk for England here, so we're good on this.
If you'd have just come up to me and talked to me normally,
I know.
like waving a microphone in my face, I'd be fine.
Julie, though, tows it, don't you, behind your mini normally? Well,
My minivan, yeah.
is a minivan broken?
Yeah.
Is your other mini's broken?
Yeah.
What have you towed it behind? Well, we're not allowed to admit that for legal reasons.
Well, I'd like to say my T5, but that also got wrote off, so behind my caddy.
Behind her caddy, so almost cool.
Yeah, not quite as cool as the T5 was, but you know.
I think towing that behind the mini down from Brighton would have been a mission. You've done it before, haven't you?
Yeah, Belgium and back behind the
And
minivan.
you're as I'm as southerly we are, but you're as well, not northerly as you could be.
5 hours to here.
Commitment. Right, we're going to move on. Matt's waving at me, so we must have got too awkward. I'll see you later, Julie.
See you later.
A standard car, you can tell. Chris is a purist. I think we need a minivan for Oso Retro. What do we reckon?
Lee, did you buy something this weekend?
No, never.
I think you're lying to me.
Alright. The beautiful, I say beautiful, it will be beautiful, yellow T4 XAA. This is one of my latest flippers, as I'd call them. It's like a dolphin. It's very yellow. We had a bit of a road trip yesterday. We drove down from Margate to Lewis, apparently it's called, not Lewes, because it's got an S on the end. Picked this up and then we dumped it just outside Brighton, and then we went off to Worthing and stayed in a lovely hotel by Worthing train station. I can talk about this because I've got a little bit aggy about it. Turn up at a hotel when you've got to get up really early and they tell you they've got an 80s night till 1 AM with paint flaking off the ceiling and a bar staff that didn't really give a crap. Got stuck in my other van trying to get in the car park, smacked my mirror. Great day. great day. But we're here today, it's been good. Just wish the rain would stop. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been London Brighton mini run. Great day as always down here. Hopefully next year we get some sunshine. Next weekend we are down at Goodwood for Retro Rides Weekender, which if you've never been to that is one for the diary. We love all the guys down there, Dave and all the rest of the guys at Retro Rides, and they run that. The mix of cars is absolutely incredible, and you'll see more of that next week, hopefully on this YouTube channel that we're starting now. So what you're meant to do on YouTube, apparently, I've been told by a few people, you're meant to go like and subscribe and all that old rubbish. So like and subscribe, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. It's all at OhSoRetro Events. You can see more of the randomness of what we get up to, maybe some cool cars, because I mean, that's why we're here, aren't we? If not, we'll see you at the show in September, which is this year, the 25th, down in sunny Margate. Be there. Love you, bye.